Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. Take a deep breath. You have been carrying beliefs that were never yours, limiting stories, scarcity, shame around money. But today, we return to your truth. You are not broken. You are not separate from abundance. You are not here to beg for your worth. You were born with it. Let the prayer cleanse what no longer serves you. Let every chant unravel what blocks the flow. Let love replace fear. Let worth replace doubt. Let money feel safe in your hands again. Place your hand on your heart and repeat each line with presence. We begin now. I'm sorry for thinking money is separate from me. Please forgive the illusion of lack. Thank you for reminding me I am enough. I love the wealth that already lives in me. I am sorry for rejecting abundance unconsciously. Please forgive the parts of me afraid to receive. Thank you for guiding me back to truth. I love the new story I am living now. I am sorry for tying my worth to productivity. Please forgive the hustle wounds in my body. Thank you for showing me a softer way. I love resting in my true value. I am sorry for fearing wealth would change me. Please forgive the lies I believed as a child. Thank you for rewriting my money identity. I love who I am becoming. I am sorry for shrinking when I wanted to shine. Please forgive the patterns I inherited. Thank you for the power in my voice. I love standing in my full worth. I am sorry for feeling guilty when I succeed. Please forgive the shame I attached to money. Thank you for setting me free from scarcity. I love being a vessel of abundance. I am sorry for saying I can't afford it. Please forgive the fear behind those words. Thank you for showing me possibilities. I love trusting money flows to me. I am sorry for judging wealth as evil. Please forgive the programming of lack. Thank you for shifting my frequency. I love being in harmony with money. I am sorry for rejecting support from the universe. Please forgive my disbeliefs in miracles. Thank you for opening doors I can't see. I love watching my life expanding. I am sorry for feeling invisible when I needed help. Please forgive the need to prove my worth. Thank you for the abundance that surrounds me. I love living in alignment with my truth. I am sorry for repeating my family's money wounds. Please forgive the cycles I never questioned. Thank you for giving me the courage to break them. I love creating a new legacy. I am sorry for fearing money will disappear. Please forgive the trauma stored in my body. Thank you for healing my nervous system. I love feeling safe with wealth. I am sorry for doubting my ability to receive. Please forgive the walls I built around worth. Thank you for your divine timing. I love being guided by trust. I am sorry for believing I have to earn love. Please forgive the wounds that created that belief. Thank you for reminding me love is my birthright. I love being loved without conditions. I am sorry for fearing others will leave if I succeed. Please forgive the fear of abandonment. Thank you for giving me soul-aligned support. I love my inner circle growing with me. I am sorry for feeling unworthy of luxuries. Please forgive the guilt I carry. Thank you for dissolving those blocks. I love living richly inside and out. I am sorry for settling for less than I desire. Please forgive my fear of dreaming big. Thank you for planting new desires in me. I love expanding the limitless vision. I am sorry for not trusting life to take care of me. Please forgive the need to control everything. Thank you for showing me ease. I love surrendering with faith. I am sorry for disconnecting from my heart. Please forgive the times I numbed my truth. Thank you for reconnecting me to intuition. I love making money from soul. I am sorry for envying others' success. Please forgive the comparison game. Thank you for reminding me of my uniqueness. I love the gifts I bring to the world. I am sorry for abandoning my inner child. Please forgive the neglect I passed on. Thank you for bringing love back to her. I love nurturing her dreams now. I am sorry for being afraid to be seen. Please forgive the fear of exposure. Thank you for helping me show up boldly. I love the light I radiate. I am sorry for thinking I had to struggle first. Please forgive my addiction to pain. Thank you for a path filled with joy. I love choosing joy now. I am sorry for thinking money is hard to make. Please forgive the scarcity stories. Thank you for rewriting them with grace. I love receiving with ease. I am sorry for blocking divine opportunities. Please forgive my resistance to blessings. Thank you for the overflow coming in. I love being in the vibration of wealth. I am sorry for holding on to survival mode. Please forgive my fight or flight responses. Thank you for peace in my finances. I love trusting life again. I am sorry for forgetting I am divine. Please forgive the disconnection. Thank you for bringing me home to myself. I love being whole, worthy, and worthy. Take a slow breath in. Feel the lightness. Feel the truth vibrating through you. You are no longer who you were when we began. You have forgiven. You have remembered. You return to yourself. Carry this frequency into your day. Watch how reality shifts when you stop chasing and start receiving. The energy of wealth is not outside you, it begins in your heart. Come back to this prayer anytime you forget. You are not broken, you are becoming. You are already more than enough. With love, thank you for being here.